On problem number 35, we're asked to find the equation of a tangent line to the equation y equals g inverse, or the inverse of g of x. So, and we're asked to find this when x equals 4. So we need to find g inverse of 4. Now, at the table, we're not given information about g inverse. We're given information about g and g prime. So remember the property of inverse functions. The input and output, the x and the y, get switched. So we know that g of something equals 4. And looking from the table, we can tell that g of negative 2 equals 4. So therefore, we can conclude that g inverse of 4 equals negative 2. This is the information we're going to use to start writing our tangent line equation. Okay. We're going to say y minus negative 2, which is going to become y plus 2, equals something times the quantity x minus 4. And our job is to find m, the slope of this tangent line. So let's remember the formula we use to find the derivative of the inverse of a function. Now this is written in terms of f and g being inverses of each other. But to be specific for this problem, we can say that the derivative of the inverse of g of x is going to be 1 over g prime of g inverse of x, provided, of course, that the denominator is not equal to 0. So in this case, we're going to say that g inverse of 4, that's going to be 1 over g prime of g inverse of 4. But we find the g inverse of 4 is negative 2. So it's going to be 1 over g prime of negative 2. And g prime of negative 2, you can see in the table, becomes a positive 2. So the slope of our tangent line equation is 1/2. And we take a look at the options, and you can see that this matches option letter E, because we're fortunate they have these equations already written into point slope form. So y plus 2 equals 1/2 times the quantity x minus 4. It's the equation of our tangent line, matches option E. I thank you for watching the video.